Your Windows PC is watching you, tracking what you type, what you search, and how you use your computer. And yes, this is happening to millions of users in the United States. But in the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to stop Windows tracking you legally and safely. If you use Windows 10 and Windows 11, this video is must watch. Welcome back to Infotrix, where we make technology simple, secure, and smart. No third-party software, no risk. Let's lock down your Windows privacy right now. By default, Windows collects diagnostic data, tracks your location, logs your typing and voice input, and even uses your activity for targeted ads. Microsoft calls this data collection, but for users, it's tracking. Disable diagnostic data. Click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Click on the Privacy Settings, and in the left side, click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Set diagnostic data to Require diagnostic data, this option. And Improve inking and typing option should be turned off. Tailored experience, turn it off. View diagnostic data, turn it off. Delete diagnostic data, click on Delete, and that's it. Disable advertising ID, click on the Start menu, click here Settings, and click on Privacy Settings. Here, change privacy options. Advertising ID, make ads more interest to you based, turn it off. Windows Track app launches to improve start and search result, turn it off. And that's it. These stop apps from tracking you across Windows. Turn off location. Click on the Start menu, click on Settings, and click on Privacy Settings. In the left side, click on the Location options. And here, allow access to location on this device. Click the Change and turn it off. Or you can allow only apps you actually trust. That's it. Stop activity history. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, and click on Privacy Settings. And you can find this option Activity History, click on it. Store my activity history on this device, uncheck this option. Show activity from this account. Here, turn it off. And clear activity history. Click on Clear and OK. That's it. Group Policy Method. Click Windows and R button and type here gpedit.msc and click Enter. You can find this Windows, click on the Computer Configurations, and here expand this option Administrative Templates and expand this option Windows Components. Find Data Collection and Preview Bills. Click on it, and in the right side, you have to find the option Disable Deleting Diagnostic Data. And double click on this option. Double click on it, click here Enable and apply OK. And that's it. Registry method. Click Windows plus R and type here regedit. Click Enter. And you can find this type of Windows. Expand the ASCII local machine, expand the software options, and find the policies. Here, expand it. Then expand this option Microsoft and expand this option Windows. And you can find data collection. Click on it. And in the right side, you can see this option default. You have to create a new D word here. Click on the new and select D word 32. These options. Double click on it And here, give the value is 0. Click OK and restart your PC. And tracking is now heavily limited. In the US, data is valuable, and once it's collected, you don't control where it goes. Reducing tracking means better privacy, less data sharing, improved system performance. Your Windows Now diagnostics minimized, ads disabled, activity history cleared, location locked down. Your Windows PC should work for you, not spy on you. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Infotrix, and comment secure if you lock down your system. More privacy and security videos coming soon.